kill. Go kill, kill, go. Go kill, kill.
Be gentle. Give hugs.
Good boy, good boy.
Because she's a girl. A good girl.
Yeah.
Why don't you take her somewhere? Go in the living room and call her. See if she follows you. Don't pull. Go see if she follows you. Call her.
Hello!
No, I mean go in the...
Hello!
No, don't call her like that. You go in the living room and then say, "Come here, Tilly, come here."
Come here, Tilly. Come here. Come here. Come in the living room. Come in the living room. Come in the living room. Come in the living room.
Tilly, come here. Tilly, come on. Go in the living room. See, they like to listen to daddies. Oops.